quick and easy banana bread recipe. My banana bread was breading. Yes, it was banana breading. Stay tuned for my video. Welcome back. Quick and easy banana bread, whatever you choose to call it, banana pudding, ripe bananas, all-purpose flour, baking soda, cinnamon, nutmeg, a little granulated sugar and a little brown sugar, vanilla, rose water, 2 eggs. You got it. Cream your butter and your sugar, and I used less sugar in this quick and easy recipe. Don't throw out those old bananas. Yes, I have another banana bread recipe on my channel with the full ingredients. I used 2 eggs after creaming my butter and my sugar. Then I added my eggs, then my flour. Quick and easy recipe. And your girl, because I'm extra, I use a little lemon zest to get out the rawness from the egg, nutmeg, cinnamon, allspice, a little dash of salt, and I use 4 extra ripe bananas. They were like really dark. Mix this, fold this all in. I did not need to use any water, no liquid, no milk. I just mix this with my little vanilla and a little almond as the liquid, because the bananas itself, once the heat touch them, it starts to get watery. So quick and easy banana bread or banana pudding. Look at your girl batter. It is battering. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, thank you for stopping by. And because I wanted to, I added some pecans on top. This is like a really tiny banana bread. I use like 1.5 cups flour. The other ingredients, I'll definitely drop them in the description box if you need them. If not, check out my cake playlist and you will find a full video. I baked this at 350 degrees for 45 minutes. And listen, this banana bread is breading. It is banana breading. Thank you for stopping by. If you're a new supporter, I thank you for your support. If you're a long-time supporter, thank you also for your support. Look at your girl taking off my paper off my banana cake. And listen, it was late at night and your girl had a slice. Yes, I told myself I'm done with cake, but I had to taste it. You will see the deliciousness, the yumminess. Look at the color. And I did not use anything for adding any color. This was just the heat from the oven giving it that banana bread color. And your girl will cut through it. I hope that you enjoyed this video as I enjoyed putting time into making this video tonight to go on my YouTube channel. You too, I think, should try this banana bread recipe. You can have this with a cup of chocolate tea or a cup of mint tea. Catch you soon in my next video. Don't be mean with it. Please remember to give the video a like. It is free. People, don't be mean with it. Okay? Give your girls some likes and some share. Look at it. See you soon.